War ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar jala ka khandru tri gulalangkod aja phunrio kala shimya karai ha ka jingalang kunhun menteri ban a ya ka Meghalaya Day Awards araja phunrio umitramba ka jala konrat kongka sangma ha ka jingakrem mikla bathai khubor ulai thu baya ka utirat singh award for arts and literature la rai ban ai show Dr. KS Nongïoh ya ka patugan and sangma award for social services show Father Binoy Joseph but ya ka ukyang nang ba award for sports and games shaka kong Rio lang dahar.
We also would like to share that the government and the cabinet today has decided on the Meghalaya Day Awards 2026. So the Utturat Singh Award for Arts and Literature has been decided for Dr. K.S. Nongïoh for the Pathogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services. The name of Father Binoy Joseph has been approved by the cabinet, and for Kyong Nangba Award for Sports and Games, Srimati Riolang Dhar. Her name has been proposed and approved by the cabinet today.